Well, we're a wellness center, and we really try to use a team approach when it comes to treating patients and their particular problem or problems. So what I really wanted to do is I wanted to bring a cohesive team of different providers of different types of specialties to our practice, so that when you come in with any type of problem or problems, we can approach that from a lot of different angles, essentially. So it's not just myself working with patients typically. I'm usually the primary person they come in to see, based upon my history, my exam, all the other diagnostic tests that I take on the first visit. Then I create treatment plans.
I got lupus in 2000. They did diagnose that I had lupus. And then after 6 months, I got diagnosed with lupus. I got injured. One day I fell and I hit my back. And one day I went to sleep. The next day, I couldn't feel my legs no more. They told me, you're never gonna walk, you're never gonna feel your legs, and I didn't feel at the beginning anything. And since then, I'm in a wheelchair. It's already 10 years. And when I started with Dr. Jensen, things improved a lot. I used to wear some braces on my legs, but since I started working with him, now I don't wear any braces, it's just my legs. So now my legs are working for real. You know, the people here, it's a big part of my treatment now and my recovery, especially Dr. Jensen. He's an amazing guy and an amazing doctor, and I wish people can come and take advantage of that.
Acupuncture is a form of primary health care based on traditional Chinese medical concepts, applying acupuncture diagnosis and treatment for the promotion, maintenance, and restoration of health and prevention of disease.
I had a piriformis injury that was not subsiding from just the treatment that I was getting. So I inquired about acupuncture therapy and have been coming regularly and noticed an immense difference. The treatment, it works. True to what their practice is. When you leave here, you feel brand new, and that's what you want. You want to feel better, and you do.
Well, here at Premier Wellness Centers in the physical therapy department, my main focus is to have hands-on work with all patients. We don't just have them come in, do exercises, and that's it. You know, I believe that there should be some sort of hands-on work, no matter what, every treatment.
I had an injury in my shoulder, and I got to the point where I couldn't even drive. So I came here because I was referred to Premier. And it is much better, you know, with the techniques that they've done on me and the knowledge, and I've worked with a few physical therapists here, and, you know, they're all great. So yeah, I've been recommending people here already.
I want to first ask them what's going on with them, their problems, see what area I need to be working on, and I'll find out what's the area that's wrong, and then I'll try to get them to relax it as much as possible. Therefore, then after, they're able to go over to the chiropractor and see them get adjusted. Because it's not just about massage, because we have the chiropractor, we have the physical therapist, we do have the acupuncturist, and we all do work together to get them to the healthiest they can get.
Back in December of 2009, I had an episode while at work that caused me to be unable to speak and see for a portion of about 20 minutes. They believe that I had 5 mini strokes. So those mini strokes triggered me to have migraine headaches. I was on many medications to try to control the migraine headaches, and nothing was working. I ended up coming here to a last-ditch effort to see if chiropractic could help me, and I walked in with a headache and I walked out without a headache after my first adjustment. Since I started coming here, I am no longer on any medications at all. I very rarely ever have any headaches. If I do get a headache, I come in and have an adjustment or have a massage or both, and before I leave, I'm back to normal again, no headaches.
From the moment that you step through these doors, you know that there's something special about this place, because it's not really just about pains and problems and disease and things like that. It's about what are those things really not allowing you to do in life. And we try to make it just a family atmosphere, spa-like atmosphere, so when you're coming in, we know you're in pain, but we're going to make it as comfortable as possible with you. And bar none, I can tell you one thing for sure, there's no better place you can come than Premier Wellness Centers when it comes to patient service.